Hi guys, it's Neetu and today I'm going to be dyeing my hair with this hair dye by Palty. It's called Cinnamon Churros. It's a bubble type hair dye and I'm really excited to try it out. This is what it looks like at the top of the box. This is the side of the box. So if you're blonde it'll turn out to be that color. If you're already kind of like brunette, maybe that's kind of, I'm like something like these two, I don't know. And then it'll end up being like that. I've never eaten a churros. I don't know if that's the right color for a churros, but whatever. It's a foaming bubble type hair dye. So they have these instructions. It's supposed to look like that at the end. And that's what I'm going to do today. It pretty much just looks like a light brown color and not so different than like this part of my hair actually, but maybe this is more ashy. I'm not sure. We'll see how it turns out. So it's really hot. You can kind of see like my eyes are reflecting how hot and humid it is right now. My face has been swelling up. My hair is a disaster. So the roots are growing. The roots are showing, sorry. I have my gray hair showing. I'm lighter at the ends. And my hair is just super frizzy. The curls aren't really holding well. And yeah, so this is what my hair looks like right now. And I'm going to dye my hair. And I'll show you what it looks like after. I don't think it's going to cover my gray hairs, but I really want to test it and see what happens and let you know. Let's open the box and see what's inside though. I haven't ever opened this box. Ooh. In here, I think there is the hair conditioner and like gloves. It has this thing. It says, so it's written in English, this product is not to be consumed. Oh my gosh. Did they have to write that in English? I don't know. This is the hair color. It's kind of cute at the bottle. It doesn't seem like, it's like it could be toothpaste or something, but like a really cute one. This is the processor, the oxidizer. What do you call these? The oxide. Ah, here's the hair conditioner. I actually love this hair conditioner. I would buy it separately. It's so good. It's the Tsubaki oil. And then it comes with this cup and this spatula. So you're supposed to put the cream, the hair color cream and the oxide inside, mix it up. It's supposed to foam up and you put it all over your hair. Wait about 30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes, but I always check to see how it's looking and wash it out. In here they just have the gloves. I took them out and yeah, they're really good gloves too because they fit my hands better instead of the ones that come with the other hair dyes. I have tried Palty hair dye many times before. This is actually my first time using the Palty bubble hair dye. So, okay, so I'm going to go dye my hair. I'll let you know how it turns out, if it covers the gray hair that I have, and if it evenly covers, you know, because I have the roots, which are very dark, and lighter hair at the end, and I'm just going to put it evenly on all over, so I really hope it turns out well. Let's see. So the instructions are actually in English, Korean, and Chinese as well. This is called the base water, and I'm supposed to shake it 20 times.
I counted 20. So, and pour everything into the mixing cup. This is the cream. I'm supposed to pour all of this into the mixing cup as well. It has a fruity-ish scent right now, on top of the hair dye scent. So it says, gently press the cream into, I don't know if you can tell, it's supposed to gently press the cream into the, just make sure everything's in there basically. And then stir 20 to 40 times. Oh, it's starting to foam a bit. You can tell it's starting to foam a bit. It's incredibly foamy.
So I need to put this in my hair right now. You're not supposed to wait at all. You just put it in your hair right now. Okay, so this is how it turned out. It is not the color that I thought it would be. It's a lot darker. It is an ashy brown, but on a darker brown. So it did darken my hair, but it did even out my hair really well. Do I say out like what Americans think Canadians say out? Like recently, I'm going on a tangent now. No, because recently I met someone who's from California and they had visited Toronto, and then they mentioned something about people saying ooh, aboo. I don't say that. I say out, about. And that's how Toronto people, Canadians, most Canadians, say out and about. Is it weird to Americans? I don't know, because I never thought it was. I thought that Americans said out and about just like Canadians say out and about. But anyway, so this is how my hair turned out. I'm going to straighten it and I'll show you how it looks when it's straight. But you can definitely still see my gray hairs. So it didn't cover my gray hairs, but actually my gray hairs are usually pure white. And I think the hair dye had, a gray ashy color in it. And so it made my white hairs gray. So I left the hair dye in for just 15 minutes after covering it all over because I could see that the color was definitely processing and my hair had definitely changed colors, and I have really thin hair, so I didn't need to keep it on for 30 minutes. If you have thick hair, then you keep it on for 30 minutes maybe. I'm going to straighten my hair now and I'll show you what it looks like with it straight. So after dyeing my hair, I did put in the Tsubaki oil. It's like a treatment that they give you with the box. I'm holding it upside down, sorry, with the box. And, but look, this is a lot lighter on the box than what my actual hair color is. And I need to warn you that if you're blonde, it will turn your hair gray. Because it has that gray in it. It's supposed to be like a gray brown, so it will turn your hair gray if you're blonde. So I really liked the spatula and the cup. The spatula was great for applying the hair dye to my hair, and then you just massage it in with your, you have your gloved hands and you massage it in, you massage the dye through. It is a very moussey consistency, and it's really different from the L'Oreal hair mousse instead. So I really definitely would try this Palty bubble foaming hair color again. I really liked it, but I don't like this color. I really expected a much lighter color than what I got. And, this maybe is better for autumn, but really I like to be lighter for summer. So I kind of made a mistake there in choosing the color. You definitely should go lighter than what you see on the box. So that's it. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!